Hello children, Leela teacher is here. Oh, but where is our friend Dolphy? Dolphy! Dolphy! Where are you? Oh, here is Dolphy. Hello Dolphy. Hello ma'am. So Dolphy, are you ready? Yes ma'am, I am ready and I am so excited to share something more interesting about my water world. Oh, that's nice, Dolphy. So without wasting any time, I allow you to tell my children about your water world. So over to you, Dolphy. And I'm sure you all are going to have fun. So let's listen to Dolphy carefully. Here we go. So friends, today I am going to tell you about the sea. And that the sea is a treasure house. Yes, you heard it right. Today you are going to learn that how the sea is a treasure house. So friends, the sea is a treasure house and you know salt, oil and gas are mined from the sea. Salt is found in sea water. That's right. You must be surprised to know that the soil that you all eat is brought from the sea. Yes, and let's see how. So the salt is found in sea water. In hot sunny places, people build shallow ponds to trap sea water. The heat of the sun dries up the water and leaves the salt behind. That's right. So you can see in the picture the small shallow places that is called the shallow ponds. So the water from the ponds is dried up by the sun and leaves behind salt. And people collect the salt to use and sell in the markets. Now let me tell you that oil and gas are found beneath the seabed. Oil rigs drill narrow holes down to the oil and gas and pump it to the surface. So deep below the sea, there are oil and gas is found and they are brought up through the pump and it comes to the surface. Tankers and underwater pipes carry it to the factories on the shore. So you can see in the picture that how the tankers and underwater pipes carry it to the factories which are there on the shore. Now the sea is very powerful. The seawater is used to turn large wheels that grind grain into flour. So children, you can see that these are the big large wheels and the seawater helps it to turn like how it goes round and round, and these wheels help to grind the grain into the flour. Flour means the chapatis or the rotis that you eat, and it is made into flour through this turning of wheels, and the wheels are turned by the sea water. Now the tides are also used in power stations to make electricity. That's right. I'm sure you all know that water is responsible to make electricity, and the tides are used in different power stations to make electricity. And friends, you all have to protect and preserve our friend, that is water. When people dump waste into the sea, they are polluting or dirtying the water. You can see it's so dirty and yucky. Pollution like this harms the plants and animals that live there. So you all can see how my friends are polluted, and you can see how the plastic bags are there around their neck, and they tend to eat it by mistake, thinking that they are the small fishes, and they swallow all the plastic that is thrown inside the sea, which is very dangerous for their lives. When oil is spilled from the tankers, it is washed ashore. It takes a lot of hard work to clean up the coastline. So friends, you can see how the water is spilled all over the sea, and you know what? It is very harmful, and it is always washed to the shore. And to do this, it takes a lot of hard work in cleaning the sea. Now, when people dump the waste inside the sea, they are polluting or dirtying the water. And you all know now, pollution like this harms the plants and animals that live there. So when oil is spilled, it is washed, and it takes a lot of hard work. So here you can see the different seas and how the water is polluted of the sea, and how the oil is spilled from the tanker and the water is polluted all over. So friends, the sea is beautiful and valuable. Everyone should do what they can to protect the sea. Seas and oceans are very important to us, and we should take care of the water in them and the plant and animal life found in them. So you all know by now that my sea is so beautiful, and now you also have learned that it's not only beautiful, but it's also very, very, very valuable. So we all should protect the sea and oceans, as they are very, very important to us, and we have to take care of the plant and animal life found in the sea. So friends, once again, I want you all to promise me that you all are going to take care of our friend nature, land, water. Yes, do you all promise to do that? Oh yes, Dolphy. I promise to take care of the water, and I promise not to pollute the water and to protect the sea and the sea creatures and plants living in there. Thank you so much, ma'am. That is so nice of you. And I also request my children to promise Dolphy that they too are going to take care of the friend nature, and that is water. Do you all promise, children? So let's do, how are you going to promise, Dolphy? Yes. So Dolphy, thank you so much for sharing such a wonderful information with my children. Do you have some more information? No, Mom, that's it. I have shared all what I wanted to share with my friends. And thank you for allowing me to share such important information to all my lovely friends. Oh, it's my pleasure, Dolphy. Thank you. See you soon. Bye-bye. Bye, friends. Bye, Ma'am. Okay, children. So you all have learned now what Dolphy taught us about our friend nature, water, right? He taught us so many things about water. So please don't forget whatever Dolphy has taught us, and please keep up the promise to what you all have done to Dolphy. Okay? And today you all learned how the sea is a treasure house. Yes, and how it is very important not only to you and me, but it's very important for the sea life that is there in nature. Okay, so it's time for me to say goodbye to you all. Don't forget to take very good care of yourself, and also don't forget to protect the nature. Bye bye. See you soon.